Give it a good old punt with that, Stu. "14 days to go, and today is finally the first day of trophy building. If you watched the last video, you'll have seen we got all the laser cutting done, and today it's finally to the point where we're mounting all the bits and bobs on top of the wood. Stu's just making a start on the 17-inch RS wheel, which is the biggest one we've ever done, is it?
Always a 15.
Always a 15, so yeah, so this is a big boy this year, which is nice. Looks like Brian's about to destroy some wood over there with the sander, but yeah, we've got a lot of beeswaxing to do, a lot of splitting and building to do, and then all this stuff's got to go up to 5 powder coating at some point this week to start the black theme which we're going for. So everything's going to go matte or gloss black, which will be a nice touch. Let's get to it. Get a good old knock, son.
Use open.
Oh. Ooh. Anyone looking for a OEM 17-inch barrel,
150 quid.
hit us up. So yanking hard.
That means a hard hammer and a bit of wood.
Man made of steel. Right, so got these all marked up, ready to go. And what we need to do is we basically drill a 6mm through the top, and then we always drill like a nice little rebate at the back for the, I actually can't see where the bolt is, but yeah, we put a little bolt through, and then the soap bar sits on top, which looks nice. So we'll get these on, get all these drilled, get them waxed, and they'll be good to go. Let's do it. Voila. Done.
Just marking up the gear gator holder thing.
Yeah, so we've got the gear gator this year from the old Husat, if you recognise the trim. Look at that. It's gorgeous. Right, so Bridal just got this bad boy, the floppy boy, mounted, but it actually looks really cool. So it's a wee test fit, which is nice. It's great.
Sounds about right.
Yeah.
For the
The Passat actually would go, not in the third, not in the, oh shit, we'll get it in the gear, and it would get away. But anyway, so yeah, this looks class. Yeah, really nice. Actually, did a good job of that, Brian. To be fair, on the rim, and it's super neat. Black leather, black stitch, black Alcantara, and that should look pretty sweet when it's done.
I would never 90 degrees with it.
One more to go.
So you get that same as that now. That's the hard bit, isn't it?
There we go. Oh, it's sick. We've got some nice black bulkhead fittings issued as well, which would be cool to go with the black theme. So one in there, and that bad boy, and there and there.
Got a piston from an MX-5.
MX-5?
An MX-5 piston.
Mate.
I know, quite nice, right?
Yeah.
It's a used piston, believe it or not, even though it looks absolutely brand new. Stu, shout out to Stevie at SW Motorsport over in Edinburgh. He gives us piston every year, so when we picked this up this morning, he aqua blasted it for us, so it looks really nice and neat. And we're gonna powder coat it black. Just test it. Oh, look
Tell me.
at that.
Let me see. Ah.
Grand.
This thing does my tits. So,
That's pretty much one award
Look.
done. Look at that.
Get these. And what are you? And what we doing?
Gonna flip them over, countersink the back so that we get the bolts in nice and flush,
Oh,
so
yeah.
that they sit nice and level on the tables.
I think that'll be alright.
Yeah.
We're sanding the kind of raw edge of this dish just to make it well
Neater, and then sit flush on the board.
And this is the
Definitely
other half from last year's one.
Yeah.
Oh, there's Michael's wee cat.
looking.
Broken.
Yeah, not broken.
No,
Sorry for itself.
it's rusty.
Rusty, yeah.
Keep it
Something will
rusty.
be broken on mine.
Sorry,
Oh,
broken.
that's definitely broken. Look at that shed.
Always got something broken.
That thing, don't know if
Give
doesn't
me 5 bits.
doesn't move.
Got the most reliable car here, Greg, when it starts.
Oh.
Soap bar drill time. I hate this bit. I actually genuinely hate this bit. But they're all taped up, ready to rock and roll. Got my punch, and it needs a proper good dunt. Like that looks alright. That should bite. So it's 10mm, but it's M60s that we use. So like it's quite daunting because we're obviously drilling with 6mm, 10mm. What we got left? 2mm either side. All right, boys. Well.
Here we go.
Here we go. Just get her to sit in there nice, and then look at that, gorgeous. And then what we do is we tap that, bolt through the underside of the wood, tighten the arm with the sock underneath. Job's a good one.
These are the bases for the top 10, top 5 and best club awards, which you've already seen Greg drilling holes into in there. These are where they get mounted on, so we're just putting this lovely beeswax on them to make them look presentable, nice and shiny, a nice colour, seal them a bit.
It's actual nuts when you see that though.
Yeah, different.
Alright, so we're not a million miles away. Ryan's just finishing off the waxing on the boards. All the trophies have been temporary built up. Stu's just about to start individually polishing the nuts for the Best of Show trophy. Yeah, we need to go up to Faz's now at 5 powder coating and get everything blacked out. There we go. Got the bolts and the chuck. He's getting a good old polish.
Greg's just out hoovering his driveway like a...
Everybody needs an outdoor hoover, eh?
Keep it clean, eh?
Like that. 9:30, done. Well, half done. Everything's pre-built, everything's assembled. All we need to do now is get up to 5 powder coating. So next episode we'll be up there. Everyone will get powder coated and we'll finish building all the trophies and you'll get to see them finished. But for now we're going for a beer. See you in the next one.